In this video, I will show you how to change pick list values. This pick list shows the status of a batch as it undergoes testing and storage. We will learn how to add new values, delete values, and reorder the values in the pick list. All we have to do is click the Setup gear and select Edit Object. From the Object Manager, we will click Fields and Relationships. In the search bar, we will search for our pick list. Then we will click the pick list. Now we will scroll down to the Values section where we can see the values in the pick list. We will start by clicking New to add a new value to the pick list. All I have to do is write the name of the new value and press Save. We can now see the new pick list value. I can click Reorder to change the order the values appear in the pick list. Again, we can see the updated order in the Values section. Finally, we can click Delete to remove values from the pick list. In order to delete the value, we must choose a new value to replace it with on our records, or replace it with a blank value. With that, we can return to Lockbox and see the changes we made to the pick list. This demonstration showed you how to change pick list values in Lockbox LIMS.